Thank you so present this award to the president. Wow. Yes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh once again. On behalf of the final year student class of 2024, this is an award of excellence proudly presented to Comrade Kabiru Dauda in recognition of your exceptional leadership, dedication, and tireless efforts as the president of the National Union of Bauchi State Students NUBAS from 2023 to 2024. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations once again. The next, may I invite to the podium the Isan president. The Isan president.